everyone, Lukas here at FastCap. This is our new product, the Mortis Marker. It's a great accessory for a Festool domino joiner. Invented by Eric Soring, a hobbyist woodworker and mechanical engineer. It is a aircraft grade 6061 aluminum marker made 100% right here at FastCap in the USA, other than the nice little plastic case that you're going to get for it. And it comes in two sizes of set. One set is for your regular domino joiner, the other is for an XL. And each set comes with every size marker that you can drill with that domino. Now, if you want just one or two sizes, you can also buy a 2-pack of any individual size that you want of these. Basically, the way it works is you can drill your first mortise in anything you want. So say I'm trying to put together this table skirt, and trust me, this is such a great product. I'm not a woodworker. I'm not good with a domino, but I was able to make a nice joint on a table skirt my very first try. So you can drill your first mortise anywhere you want. Take your mortise marker, put it in there, then line your two pieces of wood up exactly how you're going to want them, whether it be a table skirt, a stairway banister, a railing, what have you. And then you just tap the two pieces of wood together, and it's going to transfer a crosshair mark into the mating piece of wood. You can then take a pencil, extend out those crosshairs using a ruler, and you know exactly where to drill. Line your domino up on your pencil lines, drill mating mortise, and then use either your domino or your Fastenon from FastCap, and tap the two pieces together. You're going to end up with a perfect joint every time. Now, I understand this is a pretty simple example and something you could accomplish without this tool, but where it comes in really handy is for doing stuff like a stairway banister, where, you know, you're trying to line one piece up at a random spot in the middle of another piece, or doing offset table skirts and things like that, where you really don't know where that joint needs to be until you put the two pieces together where you want them to end up. Cool tips and tricks and cool things about it. One is that every mortise marker comes with a little hole right in the center. So if you hammer it in too hard or it's hard to get out, you can use any just regular pick and you can pull it out through that center hole with that. Also, if you're trying to transfer marks on a really hard wood and it's hard to hammer it in there good enough, these do have really sharp edges, you can use either just a regular stamp pad and put it in ink. It'll transfer the ink mark, or even just take a Sharpie or a paint pen and color the hashes. Then when you put them together, it'll transfer that ink mark even on really hard woods. Available today at FastCap.com. Get yours. Make your life easy. You're going to absolutely love this product. Even I can do woodworking with this.